Hello everyone, today we are going to solve this chapter Adjective from Deutsch Aber hallo Grammatiku Bungen. So the adjectives, we know that it describes the noun, okay? How a noun is, what is the nature of the noun, and anything about the noun is being described by adjectives. Look at this example. There is a car is here. Is das Auto neu? So, is that car new? Is that a new car? So, how is the car? New, right? So, someone is asking that whether the car is new or not. So, neu is an adjective. Nein, es ist alt. No, it is old. So, old is also what? So, the car is, we are defining the car, we are telling about the car that no, it is not new, it is an old car. Now we will learn some more adjectives. Übung 1, Beispiel, example. The noun is given, adjective is given. Buch means book. Dick means thick, thick in volume. Ist das Buch dick? Is that book thick? So answer is ja, es ist sehr thick. Yes, it is very thick. Similarly, we are going to form the questions, okay? And at the same time, we're going to answer. Nummer A, Haus klein. So again, I have to form question. That is that house klein means small. Is that house small? And at the same time, we are going to answer, yes, it is very small. So, ist das Haus klein? Ja, es ist sehr klein. Okay? So, before solving this exercise, I would like to tell you the meaning of the noun and the adjectives. Frage means the question. Okay, this is feminine. Schwierig means difficult. Getränke is drinks or beverages. So this is plural. Kalt is cold. Peter is a noun. Faul means lazy. Laptop is laptop. Teuer is expensive. So laptop is neutral. Miete is feminine. This means rent. Hoch means high. Do you krank sick? Bananen is the plural. Billig is cheap. Tea is tea. This is masculine. Heiß means hot. Musik is feminine. Laut is loud. Äpfel plural. So sauer is sour. Paul und Eva, they are, we can call them sie. Müde means tired. Okay, let's solve this now. I've written down all the answers. Übung 1. So, ist das Haus klein? Ja, es ist sehr klein. Ist die Frage schwierig? Is the question difficult? Ja, sie ist sehr schwierig. Why sie? Because Frage is feminine and we have to use the personal pronoun of the feminine, which is sie. So, ja, sie ist sehr schwierig. Sind die Getränke kalt? Why sind? Because Getränke is plural. Drinks. Are the drinks cold? Ja, sie sind. Why this sie means they. Okay, yes, they are cold. Sie sind sehr kalt, very cold. Is Peter Paul? Is Peter lazy? Ja, so Peter is masculine, therefore, ja, es ist sehr faul. Ja, ist sehr faul. Yes, he's very lazy. Is das Laptop teuer? Is the laptop expensive? Ja, es ist sehr teuer. It is very expensive. Ist die Miete hoch? Is the rent high? Ja, sie ist sehr hoch. Yes, it is very high. So here we are saying in English, we all, for all the nouns, we are using it. But remember in German, you have to use the personal pronoun depending on the gender of the noun. Bist du krank? Are you sick? Ja, ich bin sehr krank. Yes, I am very sick. Sind die Bananen billig? So again, this is plural, then that's why we have to use sind. Means are the bananas cheap? Ja, sie sind sehr billig. Yes, they are very cheap. Ist der Tee heiß? Is the tea hot? Heiß is hot. Ja, es ist sehr heiß. Yes, it is very hot. Ist die Musik laut? Is the music loud? Ja, sie ist sehr laut. Sind die Äpfel sauer? Are the apples sour? Yes, they're sour. Sind Paul und Eva müde? Are Paul and Eva tired? Ja, sie sind sehr müde. Yes, they're very tired. Now, Übung 2, Exercise 2, Beispiel. Ist der Film interessant? Is the film interesting? 9. Es ist langweilig. No, it is boring. So here they're using the antonym. Okay, the opposite word of interessant is langweilig. Interesting, boring. So we have to answer all the questions, but we have to answer by what? By providing the antonym. Okay, for example, ist das Wasser warm? Is the water warm? We have to say 9. Es ist kalt. No, it is cold. Okay, I have written all the antonyms, so let's solve one by one. Ist die Milch billig? Is the milk cheap? 9. Sie ist, why sie? Because Milch is feminine. Sie ist teuer. It is expensive. Ist die Prüfung einfach? Is the exam easy? 9. Again it is sie. Why? Because this is feminine. Sie ist schwierig. No, it is difficult. Ist Paul gesund? Is Paul well or healthy? 9. Er ist krank. Ist die Studentin Paul? Is the student. Here they are talking about female student because the studentin is meant here. So studentin refers to female student. 9. Sie ist fleißig. No, she is hardworking or diligent. Ist der Herr verheiratet? Is the Mr. married? So here they're talking about a gentleman. Is the gentleman married? 9. Er ist ledig. No, he is unmarried. Ist das Auto langsam? Is the car slow? 9. Es ist schnell. Because the auto is neutral. Therefore, I have to use the personal pronoun es. Ist das Wetter gut? Is the weather good? 9. Es ist schlecht. Ist die Übung schwierig? 9. Sie ist einfach. The exam is easy. Sind die Kinder leise? Are the children quiet? 9. Sie sind. Why sie? Because this is plural, Kinder. Sie sind, they are laut, they are loud. Ist der Apfel süß? Is the apple sweet? 9. Er. Why er? Because Apfel is masculine, therefore I have to use er as a personal pronoun of the apple. Er ist sauer. No, it is sour. Ist die Jacke teuer? Is the jacket expensive? 9. Sie ist billig. No, it is cheap. Ist das Brot alt? Is the bread old? 9. Es ist neu. It's new. Ist der Mann alt? So in case of human, I cannot say it is new. So I have to say, is the man old? No, he is young. So 9. Er ist jung. Ist das Fahrrad alt? 9. Es ist neu. Ist die Antwort richtig? Is the answer right? 9. Sie ist falsch. No, it is false. Ist das Ei hart? Is the egg hard? 9. Es ist weich. Soft. Bist du krank? Are you sick? 9. Ich bin gesund. I'm well or healthy. Now we all know the colors or adjective. Okay, colors are counted as adjective, so we need to know the name of the color. So here actually this is black and white printout. Therefore you are unable to see the color. So gelb means yellow, orange means orange, goat is red, violet is purple, you can also call it lila, blau means blue, grün means green. Okay, and you can see in the right side in the box that schwarz means black, grau is gray, weiß white, and hell, dunkel are here. What is hell? What is dunkel? Hell means light, dunkel is dark. If I say hellblau, light blue, dunkelblau, dark blue. Hellrot, light red, dunkelrot, dark red. Hellgrün, light green, dunkelgrün, dark green. Now we have to mention the color. Okay, so they are asking us few questions. We have to answer what is the color of the noun. For example, welche Farbe hat eine Kische? So this Kische means the church. Which color does the church have? Sie ist rot. It is red. Similarly, we have to answer. So let's solve this. We have missed out this one. This is braun. Braun means brown. Okay, which means brown. Now, welche Farbe hat eine Gurke? Gurke is cucumber. So sie ist, why sie? Because Gurke is feminine. Sie ist grün. It is green. Welche Farbe hat eine Banane? Eine Banane. Sie ist gelb. It is yellow. Welche Farbe hat eine Tomate? What is the color of the tomato? Sie ist rot. It is red. Welche Farbe hat der Ozean? Ozean means ocean. So er. Why er? Because Ozean is masculine. So er ist hellblau. You can also use dunkelblau if you think the color is dark blue. You can use dunkelblau, or we can use also hellblau. Welche Farbe hat Milch? What is the color of the milk? Milch is feminine. Sie ist weiß. Welche Farbe hat Kaffee? Kaffee is brown. Er ist braun. Welche Farbe hat Orangensaft? Er ist. Why? Because this is masculine. Er ist orange. Welche Farbe hat Blut? Blut is blood. Es ist rot. It is red. That's the end of the chapter. Thank you everyone for watching.